Today, I am thrilled to introduce Twinkly Squares. Squares are one of the many new smart LED lighting products by Twinkly that are now available at superbrightleds.com. With Twinkly Squares, you can add pixel-perfect artwork, gifts, mood lighting, and more to your home and business. Each square is a smart LED panel that is made up of 64 addressable RGB lights capable of producing over 16 million colors that you can control using the Twinkly app on your smartphone or tablet. Twinkly Squares are modular, and you can physically connect up to 15 extension panels to one master panel to create a truly captivating display. Twinkly Squares are so easy to set up, and they can be installed by anyone. Once installed, you can choose from one of the many preset animations available in the app, or you can create your own and even download custom gifts. That about covers Twinkly Squares. I hope you enjoyed this brief product introduction. If you'd like to learn more about Twinkly Squares, be sure to head to our website at superbrightleds.com.